Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Taiba Simple Life. Today I'm organizing my mini dressing table. A little cleaning, a little arranging, and a fresh, tidy look. I hope you enjoy this simple organization video and find some inspiration for your own space. Dear Isa, sometimes it's not about having a big room or expensive things. It's about taking care of the little things we already have. Being today, while organizing my mini dressing table, I realize how quickly small things can become messy when we don't give them attention. Life is often the same. Our thoughts, our goals, and even our daily routines can become cluttered. Land as I cleaned each item and put everything in its place, I felt calm and happy. It reminded me that a clean space can help create a clear mind. Round there is a simple lesson in this: small steps make a big difference. You don't need to change everything in one day. Just start with one corner, one shelf, or one task. Little by little, things begin to improve. So if there's something you've been putting off, start today. It doesn't have to be perfect. Progress is always better than waiting for perfection. Blamed. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me. I hope this video motivates you to organize your space and bring a little more peace into your day. Take care of the little things today, and tomorrow they will become the beautiful parts of your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Then thank you for watching.